It just goes to show that how our system works can really help anyone, someone with a background in real estate or no background in real estate. They can come here and we can make you a success. Rookie of the year, we had a lot of great talent this year, but Jenna, she learned so much. I think in the last 6 months, I've seen her grow exponentially.
I have closed 17 houses in my first year in real estate at the age of 23. So I would say it's pretty successful. I'm definitely not on the level of my other coworkers, but light years ahead of most realtors. I think that not having done real estate before was actually really helpful for me because I was kind of a blank slate and I got to learn from the best of the best without learning any bad habits before coming here.
Started this year with us, but it seemed to be the last 3 months, 90 days, 180 days, that really Jenna started taking off. So I got my eyes on her for 2025. We had Nick Ponos. I think Nick's doing close to 35 houses his first year on the team here.
My first year was epic with the Nathan Clark team. I made over 6 figures and I bought my first house. I would say the difference was there's a system in place that it's literally built to be almost foolproof. Like it's there and it's yours for the taking. As long as you have the work ethic, you can make it work.
Nick's a very hard-working agent, works great. He's selling, he's learning the system, but he's gonna do great out there. And I think Jenna's right on his tail for 2025.
Goals for 2025 are get more buyers, get more listings, and just 10x the whole thing.
My plans are to keep selling more and more houses as years go on and just become a better real estate agent. I would also love to become a mentor at some point because there are a couple people who have joined after me. It's still only my first year, but I still love to help out the people who are newer in the company.
What I love about the situation is Nick came here with a background in real estate. He was working in another real estate, not making the money he wanted to, came on the team, and we took his knowledge and basically 10x'd it. Jenna started not in real estate. We had a teacher real estate, so she had a little of a lag period behind Nick of learning the real estate business to now she's right on his heels learning to do that, and I think next year she'll be right there with Nick selling it. It just goes to show that someone with a background in real estate or no background in real estate, they can come here and we can make you a success.